How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video. As you can tell by the title, this one's going to be very controversial, and I'm probably going to get a lot of flack for this, but I didn't really have a choice when it comes to making this video. Last week I got an email from the FBI, Special Agent Johnson, the one from Die Hard, the other one. And he told me that I had to make this video or else they would kill my family. So they have my family, and if I don't do this video, they're gonna kill them, so I probably ought to. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Suavecito Firme. If you haven't heard of Suavecito Firme, you're probably living under a rock of some kind, because it's a super well-known product within the pomade world and like the hair product community in general. And it's two camps. It's like mayonnaise. There's the two camps, no in between. One hates it with a passion, thinks it's like the worst hair product ever. Other loves it, thinks it's awesome, thinks it's great. No in between. And I guess I have to teach you how to use it now. Wish me luck. Let's hope that I do this correctly, or else my family is going to die. Alright, so some of the complaints with Suavecito are that it's crispy, it makes your hair very crunchy looking like a Lego when it's done drying and when it sets in place. That when you're washing your hair out, it becomes very dry because of the Suavecito. And that overall it's just not easy to work with at all. So I guess I need to combat those issues in order to show people how to use this. So reluctantly, here we go. So my hair is damp, and that is important, and I'm going to be pre-styling today with the Lockhart's Groom Cream. That's going to work to combat some of the crispiness and the dryness that Suavecito generally leaves on the hair. I'm just going to take a small scoop here and put it in my hair. Here we go. Alright, so now that we have the groom cream applied, I'm going to blow dry my hair till it's about 85% dry, and then we'll apply the Suavecito. Here we go. Alright, so the hair is about 90% dry, 85% dry. We're going to take a look at Suavecito Firme. This is the winter edition from 2017, like a warm clove scent. It's not a very strong smell, but it's alright, kind of cinnamony, and just classic sort of, I don't know, flat diet soda color, I guess. And so we're going to take a bit here on our fingertip and put it in the hair. I'm so scared. Alright, so it's very easy to break down, and let's put it in the hair. Alright, so the Suavecito is applied, and thus far really no complaints. It's a very thick product. I mean, not all that difficult to apply or anything like that. And the scent does become more apparent as you start to break it down and put it in your hair, and overall it's pretty nice. So I'm going to blow dry now and finish off the style and give you my final thoughts and see if this product is at all usable and save my family. Alright, so the style is complete, and honestly I'm surprised, genuinely. I thought this was going to be awful, and that I was going to kill my hair and have a bad hair day from the outset, but overall the product is thick and breaks down easily. There's really no tug and pull when it's in the hair, and if you're styling your hair when it's damp, it's not going to really give you all that much crispiness. And I think a lot of that perception of the insane crisping setting effect has to do with the fact that people are using way too much of this product. I use like 2 very small, like half fingers worth, or half fingertips worth rather. And honestly, it has to do with this being a gel type pomade and it being very strong as well. So you really don't need all that much in order to achieve a really nice style. And the Lockhart Screw Cream is definitely working with us in order to really counteract any sort of dryness that might occur. But frankly, there's a strong possibility that you could use Suavecito on its own. And if you know how much you're using and you use the right amount, then it should be fine. Alright, feeling positive. I think my family is safe. And let's do a 360. In the comments down below, let me know what you think of Suavecito, if you love it, if you hate it, if you think I'm doing this wrong, if I'm cheating, if you think I did this right, and this is the way you gotta review products. Let me know in the comments down below, and here we go. Alright, and there you have it. This has been a tutorial and sort of a demo of Suavecito Firme, how to use Suavecito Firme, and I hope you all have enjoyed. I feel like this product doesn't get enough appreciation, or at least there's a lot of people out there who don't like it, and perhaps this might change their perspective on it just because there are certainly ways to make any product work if you just take the time to figure it out. And yeah, have a nice day. Peace.